Thirukkolur Penpillai's 33rd statement. இளைப்பு விடாய் தீர்த்தேனோ நம் பாடுவானைப் போலே. This statement is about Nampadwan, who was a great devotee of Sriman Narayana. He was born in Tirukkurungudi. And he used to go to temple during night with his veena and offer songs to Perumal. And his songs were only on Perumal and Pirati. So he was known as Nampadwan, that is our singer. And he used to fast on Ekadasis and spend his night before the temple and sing songs. This happened on one of the Ekadasis, it is Kaishika Ekadasi. Kaishika Ekadasi normally falls in the month of Kartigai, that is Tamil month. Nampadwan fasted the whole day on Kaishika Ekadasi and he was awake that night and he proceeded to temple to sing songs on him. When he was going, he was stopped by a Brahma Rakshasa who was named Soma Sharma. This Brahma Rakshasa stopped him and said, I want to eat you. I am very hungry. Then Nampadwan said, no, I am going to temple. Let me go and complete my offering to Perumal. I will sing songs. Then I will come back. You can eat me. But Brahma Rakshasa was not ready to listen. Then Nampadwan, he committed himself by saying 18 punishments. That is, what are the promises, and when those promises are not kept up, what are the sins will be added. So he was saying everything. And Brahma Rakshasa was not convinced. When he said 18th promise, that is, if I don't turn up, whoever compares Lord Narayana with demigods, whatever sins come to them, those people, and I will be affected by such sins. Those pavam, those sins are beyond our comparison. So that is, we will be affected very badly by those sins. So Brahma Rakshasa convinced that this man is genuine, he will definitely come back. So he let Nampadwan go. Then Nampadwan went to the temple and he started singing. Perumal was so happy to listen to his songs, and the doors were opened and Perumal asked that flag post to move sideways so that Nampadwan could see me properly. Nampadwan had good darshan of God and he was so happy, and he felt his life has completed the objective of his birth. So he was happy with that darshan and he was happy with the offerings, that is singing on God. Then he thought, I should go back to that Brahma Rakshasa because I promised him. So he moved towards the Brahma Rakshasa. Then Brahma Rakshasa was also waiting for him, but before he reached Brahma Rakshasa, a old Brahmin stopped him. He said, no, don't go there. There is a Brahma Rakshasa, he will kill you. But he said, no, I have already promised him, I have to go back. I want to keep up my promise. Then the old Brahmin was looking at him with so much surprise, and he appreciated him. It was none other than Perumal, the Varahan, came in the form of old Brahmin and he blessed him. Nampaduvan went to Brahmarakshasa and asked him to eat him. Brahmarakshasa realized instead of eating him, that is, instead of satisfying his hunger, he could release himself from this body by getting the fruits of offerings of Nampaduvan to Lord Narayana. And he asked him, Nampaduvan initially refused. Then Brahmarakshasa told him about his life, that he was a Brahmin in the previous birth and he did not follow any Shastra. He made yaga for making money. He did not follow any code of conduct. So he was cursed to be born as Brahmarakshasa in next birth. So I am in this form in this birth. Please help me. Then the compassionate Nampaduvan agreed and he gave the fruits of Kaishika Pan, that is the song he sang on Kaishika Ekadasi night. So he offered that to Brahmarakshasa. Brahmarakshasa got relieved from his terrible body, the Rakshasa body, and in his next birth he was born in a Brahmin family and he followed all Shastras and he attained moksha. Tirukkolur Penpillai referred the compassion quality of Nampaduvan and she said how he helped the Brahmarakshasas to get relieved from his curse and how he sang songs only on Perumal and Pirati. And he completed the objective of his birth. But I didn't do anything to Vaitamanidhi. I didn't have so much of bhakti, devotion. So she was revealing all this to Ramanujar. Ramanujar was a Acharyan of Tirukkurungudi Perumal.